This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2016 Volkswagen Transporter, stock number 6543. This ran from the 12th 2009 to the current shape. It has a CAAC 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-spool automatic transmission. This is the CAAC 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre. Left rear 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre. Left hand taillight, one small scratch. Right rear 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre. Right front door 2 dents. Right front guard 1 dent. Right front headlight, light sun cracks. Right front 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,